Today, let's talk about sales. It's simple in Japan. Imagine my surprise when I meet salespeople here who have not spent even 1 second trying to master bridging the gap between value and cost. When the buyer says, too expensive, Japanese salespeople immediately offer to drop the price by 20%. Instead, they should ask, why do you say that when told it is too expensive? We need a lot more information before we can answer that price objection. Was the price pushback genuine, a ruse, sport negotiation, time-bound, or irrelevant because they haven't seen enough value yet to facilitate a purchase decision? There will be one highest priority element in the too expensive objection. It might be the actual volume of cash involved, budget allocation timings, internal competing project competition concerns, etc. Which one is it? We need to know so that we know how to handle the objection. Just dropping the price immediately means we are leaving a truckload of money on the table, and that is an extremely bad idea.